Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm gonna update my almost 2-day mining on HumPool for all of my 4 Kaspa KS0 miners. So you could see I moved them all to the HumPool, and we're gonna check our stats and how our miners doing. So the first one, the temperature looking good, the hash rates being stable. Hopefully, yeah, it's a little bit going up and down on some, but good temperatures. Rejection rate really low. Look at this, 6,404. So really low compared to all other pools. Anyways, I'm happy with this pool so far. So I'm probably gonna stay on HumPool for a little longer. And see how it goes. So far it's been paying for my electrical compared to Kaspa pool. As we know from previous video, let's take a look. We've been pretty much from Kaspa pool missing about $1.26 a day, 91 cents a day, $1.14 a day. So close $1 and some change a day, which is my electrical pay is only 32 cents at 18 cents a kilowatt. For summers on the smart in Sacramento is really hot, and it's the summer rates are higher. The winter rate's gonna start in September at 11 cents. Hopefully it's not gonna go higher, but 32 cents, I'm still making power up and a little bit extra. Well, this is for 2 miners, yep. So it'll be the difference on 2 miners, 126 per miner. So it's a $4 for all 4. I'm making up for electrical, and roughly $3 extra a day. That's $100 roughly a month, which is insane just to keep on the HumPool. So anyways, I don't know what results do you get on Kaspa pool. All other pools have been a little bit less successful than the HumPool. For me worked great. So let's take a look the last 2 days. I am here on the second day. So the first day obviously was switching to the HumPool, so I got 900 first half of a day, 1163. The payouts is at 3 o'clock and 3 o'clock, 3 at night and 3 in the evening. So I have 1163. So I got a little better on my second half, and then 1126 Kaspa, and that's for 4 miners. So you have to keep in mind this is a 4 miners. So average, I was doing 515 Kaspa a day, just because I switched it. It took a while before it got to the full speed on the first day, and then I guess the second day I'll have better result. I need to update. I'm right now here at, let's take a look, at 1086, and it's gonna be another hour until it's reconciled at 3 o'clock. Right now it's 2:20 p.m. and at 3:10 it will actually do another payout. So it's 3:13, so 3:10 to 3:20 roughly what's when payout appears. So I'm gonna have another payout here, which is gonna be a little bit over, probably 1100, I'm guessing. So let's take that in calculation. We'll put 1100 for now, but it'll be probably a little more. So I'm doing a 556 Kaspa per each KS0 right now. So 4 of them doing, we'll be doing roughly 2200 Kaspa, 22.6, right? So let's go back to my profitability and ROI overall. So I did added this in calculation. So let's add this HumPool 26.6, roughly 200, right? So at 91, and I need to add another 555 Kaspa here. That's where I am roughly, probably 550. Okay, so let's take a look. I am at, still need 49 days to ROI on the first one, 11 days on the second. Looks like this day is being slowly dragging. If you could see, all these Kaspa miners started from the almost same, like 53 days to ROI, and it's keep on going. It's keep, as I mine, it's still these days pushing back because of the rewards rate going down. And by the way, in 7 days we're gonna drop another 5% because of the Kaspa halving, so we'll get less rewards. And also look at the hash rate. So we started, the initial hash rate was, when we started, it was about 1.15 or 1.19, I think, pentahash. So I put this in consideration. Rewards was 1450. So that was about 617 when we start mining with the first KS0, when I started first. So now the rewards are, I mean, now hash rate is about 3 pentahash, right? So let's go and check. It's been changing up and down a little bit. So I found interested on the Kaspa FYI, very interesting data. It's just kind of real-time update. So now it's 295. It was going to 305, but it's 295, so it dropped a little bit on the hash rate. That means our rewards are slightly higher. So if we change this to 295, we should be getting about 584 Kaspa a day on each miner. However, this number jumps up and down, so an average about 3.1, 3.4 pentahash, which roughly we should be getting 556 Kaspa a day. And I think we're right on the money, 556 right there on the HumPool. So I really like that, how it works out. It's pretty close. The Kaspa price was 3.5 cents. Let's check real quick if it's still there. 33.5. 8, yeah, so 3.58. If I sell, I could probably sell for 33.6 cents right away at 365, I would say, easily. But I do care about 20,000 Kaspa. I want to keep 20,000, and that's about 25%, I believe, at what I mined so far, right? So 91,000 Kaspa total mine. That means have 20,000 not sold, at about maybe 22%, right? And my ROI kind of weird. It's just keep on going up. So let's say in August, in about 2 weeks, Kaspa gonna go 5% more. The rewards actually gonna drop 5% more according to the Kaspa emission schedule on August 7th. So we're gonna be getting 184 Kaspa per block mined, which was 195 just before that. So that's roughly about, what, 5%, right? A little less than 5% less Kaspa for rewards. So if we consider that 5% change, we can simply just multiply this by 0.95. So that's a 5% change here. So will be, oh, we forgot multiplication here. Multiply 0.95. So our reward is gonna go just 528 with today hash rate. Okay, so that's the per block reward. That how much is gonna change your Kaspa rewards. Now if we gonna hit KS3 and KS3L gonna hit the market, let's say 500, you know, of each miner, right? So 500 of KS3, which is 8,000. That's a 4 pentahash, right? 4 pentahash, and then 500 of this, that's 2.5 pentahash. Let's just pretend we're gonna have 500 of each added to market right away on the first week of August, and so 6.5 pentahash, that's gonna bring us close to 10 hash rate, close to 10 by August 7, let's say, right? 10 pentahash network. So our reward is gonna go down to 163 in about a week and a half. 163 Kaspa, and that's probably best case scenario. What if it's 1,000 of each miner is gonna be sent out? So that's doubles. That's the 8 pentahash and 5 pentahash. That's a 13 pentahash on top. So that's a 16 pentahash we will see on the network, and our reward is gonna drop to 102 Kaspa a day, and that's gonna extend. That's where our ROI gonna extend to crazy days. We're gonna see 9 months to not any longer days. It's gonna be months now to calculate, and then all these KS1, KS2, KS3, KS3L miners now no longer 20 days, 30 days. It will be 4 months ROI. So yeah, that's where we stand. I think that's gonna end by September 7th. We're gonna have another emission on Kaspa that's gonna drop another 5%. So and so on. So obviously this number of the reward is gonna go down. However, to stay optimistic, if the price of Kaspa goes up, let's say it doubles, right? So if it doubles, it goes to 7 cents or 8 cents. Let's do 7 cents. So we are gonna look a little bit better. It's gonna be if we stay optimistic, or if Kaspa price goes to 15 cents, that's a lot better. It's very close. So the Kaspa price needs to go 4 or 5 times in order to kind of stay with the rewards, similar rewards what we're seeing right now. Okay, so I don't think it's gonna go that crazy. We will be lucky if it stays around the same 3.5 cents, 3.6, right? That would be really nice still. We're just gonna see something like that very soon. That's my prediction after August 7th. However, now we're still at 3.1 pentahash in average, so that's our rewards. So rewards today roughly $20. Let's double check how we how hash rate.no showing. The Kaspa miner KS0 is showing 575. Look at that, 575 with the rate being 297. Okay, 297. So that means if we go down and put our rate 297 over here, we are 580, very close. So we are pretty much matching to the, we are same as hash rate NO, 575, 580. So we are getting very close. Result $20 a day, $20.48 with the hash rate and that NO reports, right? So sorry about that. So that's what we have right now, and I hope you guys like it. The quick update. That's where we stand, and that's our calculator. Kind of works for the averaging per KS0, and we'll keep you posted if any changes. I think we're good. Stay tuned for the next update, and probably within few 3 days, see how the August go once the KS3 and KS3L gonna hit the market, hit the network. All right, thanks and have a good one. See you on the next one. Почему ты открытую даже дверь оставляешь? Блин, берет, открывает, ходит, блин, орусь. Дверь закрыть же можно было. Bitch, wasted просто 20 minutes.
Я подумала, что звук, с которым
Возможно, даже на 20 минут ничего нигде прятаться. Потому что все ушли вниз. Нет, надо всем было начинать заваливать сюда. В какой паре? Все сидели на улице, они рисовали, поэтому и пошел. Никто не приходил.